Hello everybody, and welcome back with Every Day with me, Nick. So we'll just quickly start with the end of yesterday with the beginning of today. So I said that well, yeah, I don't know if you've seen the splitter cowlings off. There's the covers, and there was a spring missing from there that goes down to that bolt there. What it was, oh Christ! What it was doing was making that just flop. It should be under tension, so when that's at that springs back with some force, or the other way around. I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it at that position. So I thought it was lost. I moved a log on the table when it was all full, and alas, I found the spring, but it was snapped. It was snapped, and I've just fettled it to make it back right again. I'm going to see if I can to make it back right. So I don't have to order a new one. Well, I might order one, but I don't have to. So all I've got to do is put that on there. Hold on. Sorry about the jerkiness. That's set up. That goes on there, and it's quite a good fit now. And that goes down there. Now the only reason I could think that it's come off is that the rack's moved over when it comes out, so I don't know why that would be, but anyway, we're going to sort that out. So we'll get that on. I'm going to get the grass cut in the fields with the tractor, get the grass cut, and get them logs stacked that we were on with yesterday. And then might get a bit more splitting, I don't know. On to other things. The fire that was in the village the other night is now causing severe smoke, fog within the village. Just it's awful. I've woke up yesterday morning and this morning with a really bad headache. Yeah, it's serious. Like, it really does smell, but. Apparently we've got environmental health and the fire chief coming out to assess the situation. If it's serious, they're going to evacuate those who are in direct contact with it. I don't know how they can do that in this current situation with coronavirus kicking about, but hey ho. But fire crews have been there. Come here up. Fire crews have been there tirelessly since the night it happened. I believe they're going to be there another up to 2 days more, depending if they can get it under control. Well, it is under control, but it's obviously still smoke. It's still on fire, still smouldering away. So that's that. So I'm going to get you set. Well, I'm going to get this done. It's no biggie this spring, you know what I mean. It could happen to anybody. It's not something that's by fault. It's just one of them things. I'm gonna get this done, get the tractor out, and start cutting the field. So bear with me. I'll be back in a bit. Hey up everybody. Now this is going to be a follow on from what I've already been on about this morning. Sorry about Isaac's room, this is work in progress. So I said that there was a fire in the village, and well, what's happening now is we're getting bombarded with the smoke. Serious amounts of smoke. To the point now where I'm getting things sorted to get out of Dodge. Get out of here. Luckily I've got a caravan that's on my parents' property, as you've seen in the videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go and stay with them. It's all different now that you've got a child, but got to start thinking of them, not just your own gear. So I'm just getting all that gear sorted. Yeah, I don't know if you can pick this up. I've got another video, but it's got some obscene language on it. Yeah, me swearing basically of it, what it looks like. It's really minging. So I'll get that trimmed down a touch, and we'll get that on. But yeah, the spring for the Jansen log splitter, I managed to get that sorted. I managed to bend it a bit. It's a lot more tighter now, but by heck, it's working. You'll have seen that I've put the tractor cut in the field. I had a problem with that this morning. That should have been all of an hour's job, but that didn't turn out so much like I thought it would. Not major, just the top of the ride, it was pivoting on the top link all the time, so it wouldn't adjust to get it level, and that makes a big difference to how it cuts. It was digging in the ground all the time. The front was always like that and the back was well up, so the front skids were always digging in the floor. Anyway, got that sorted, no biggie. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm going to be going around in the caravan that I own, that you've seen in the videos. I'm going to run the electric from my parents' house over to it. Water, I'm going to run a water pipe over as well. That's about it. I think they've got a little portable TV, a little flat screen, 19-inch, I don't know, something like that. I'm just going to take the fire stick out of the telly, put it in there, put it to the internet. Job's a tatey, so I might even put a video of us when we're in there, so I'll catch you in a bit. Hi and welcome back to Everyday with me, Nick. This is going to be second day of a one video. I have some other stuff that I want to put in, but I'm just going to get this bit shown to you before I yeah, I'm going to show you what I've got, what I'm on with at the moment, and honestly it is unbelievable. So here we have a post, knackered. They're all knackered, all these posts. They were put in when I was 13, so that was I can't even do math, 17 years ago. So they're all knackered. So I want to keep the wire, because the wire's fine and the barbed wire's fine, but the posts are knackered, so I'll just nub them off at the bottom, put new ones on. But look at this, all these have got staples in. So I was scouring the internet and found a device that was ingenious, and I bought one. So watch this. Come in at the top and pull. It can't get any simple. Let's see if I can get, if I've got the bottom bit on it. I'm going to try and show you another one. Right, come in at the top. I know my hand's going to be in the way, but I'll get it started. Right, let it get a hold and then pull. I'm going to drop the staple, but yeah, it doesn't get any simple, any more simple anyway. And with, oh, crikey. And with these posts being knackered, honestly I'll see if I can get that barbed wire. I don't know if it will. So get behind it. Yeah, just touch more. That's it, no damage to the wire. Yeah, it's got a kink in it, but we'll straighten that back out. See if I can get a better view on it. Yeah, this one's wrapped in sorry for my video work here, it's terrible. Right, here we go. I've zoomed you out a bit because you're a bit close in. Obviously you need to be seen to see what this is. So, this is the unbelievable tool. It doesn't look like anything that's too complicated, but watch it work. Got nails. Nails in that. Get it on, push down, boom. Staples out. Get behind the wire. This post is well rotten. Pull it out. Another staple. There's a lot of... I'm in shorts at the moment because it was nice. So I feel like I'm going to get nettled at some point. Let's get this out of there. I can go up over on this one. That's that. There we go. Not connected at all now, so just try and get this last one. Done. That's it. Now I'm dropping staples, but you get the name. Now there's a load of chicken wire on this, so I'm just gonna. I ain't gonna bother with that. I don't think it'll hold up, but you get the idea. So I've left one up there. I'll catch up with you in a second. Right, so it is called, so simple, quick staple puller. You can't get any simple. Caldwell's quick staple puller on eBay. Now I didn't see it on eBay to start with, I found it on the internet. Then I found it on another website, but it was saying that the website wasn't trusted, it was dangerous. dangerous website. So I found it on eBay, $54.99. Now it's a lot of money for a bit of metal. I'm a bit of a fabricator myself, and looking at it, well, the quality's not that good. Let's be honest, it's not gone through extensive QC scrutiny. But what I will say is it looks like it's built to last. I mean, literally built to last. So the story behind it is what I believe is there is a farmer in the UK who invented it. He must have been doing a lot of staple pulling from fencing. Now I looked on the internet for a solution to pull staples from fencing because I've got a lot of rotten posts. and that's when I come across this. Looked into it, I thought it can't be that simple, and believe me, it is. Simply, you put the wire in between these two hooks, or yeah, hooks, and then basically you get the clamping mechanism, and it clamps against these flat pieces here, and then you just lever it off. You can tell it was designed by a farmer. There's not much to it. £54.99 British pounds. Yeah, all right, it's a bit overpriced, but it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. It looks like, you know, there's a lot of what looks like maybe some CNC plasma cut metal. It's all galvanized. It comes with a galvanized bolt in it as well, with an eye lock, so it shouldn't come off. It's got a spring on it to return it back to its position, and that seems fairly substantial. Only time will tell, but shouldn't have any problems. Bit of a rubber handle on the bottom, feels on there well, so yeah, I think it's a good thing. So shout out to them. I'm going to leave a link in for eBay, for an eBay number, and then you can do as you like with that. Yeah, we're living in the caravan. Well, we stayed last night in the caravan. We're going to stay again tonight, although the smoke has died down and changed, and the wind has changed direction. We're just going to stay out of the way for another day, just because it's in the house. And then going to go back around tomorrow and have the doors and windows open if the wind's still going the right way, just to get some air blown through. So yeah, we're in the caravan. Isaac's loving it. He's just stood out looking out the window all the time. You know what I said this morning is it's nature's television. Being able to see the field, see the birds, see Roxy running about. You know, there's not much traffic goes by, but yeah, there's always some wildlife going about. So yeah, that's about it really. I ain't gonna bother setting you up for anything today. I ain't got nothing really going on, but yeah, I just want to update everyone and see, you know, tell everyone what's going on, and tell everybody about this great little invention struck product. I'll take us over to see Isaac at the window. You'll laugh when you see him. So, take you there now. Come on. Don't know if you can see him there, he's in the window. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, yeah. Say hello, Mum.
Hi.
How are you enjoying your caravan life, Law?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Fresh air.
It's fresh air, nature's television. What do you think, son? He can't fall out, in case you're all wondering. He's quite well down there. He's loving life. We're loving life. We travel away, don't we? We go away for 10 days out of the year, where we live completely off grid. As such, we have a generator, and we have gas bottles hooked up like we do now. We have a gas bottle hooked up outside, and yeah, we just we camp like that for 10 days. We do Appleby Horse Fair, and yeah, that's how we live in it, though. Yes. And we don't mind it. We like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Better than being on a site. You get to enjoy different places and different sceneries instead of one place. But yeah, hopefully Isaac would have liked it this year, wouldn't you? But it's called off because of COVID-19. Damn you. So maybe it's next year. You know, when you're a bit older and you can be walking, then, can't you, son? Yeah. Ah. So Anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up and we'll catch you another time. We're going to don't know what I'm going to do.
Tidy up.
Tidy up. No different to a house. And are you going to go to sleep whilst Mum and Dad get tidied up? No. Okay. So yeah, hope everyone stays safe. Wishing Boris Johnson a speedy recovery as well, because we like Boris. Yeah. We like Boris. Yeah, speedy recovery. Hope everybody's doing well, and don't forget to look out for everybody else as well. We'll catch you next time. Say bye, Isaac. Bye. He's trying to grab it. Hey up everybody. This video is going to be a mismatch of all sorts. So I was going to do each individual day, but to be fair, there wasn't really enough content in each video to be able to justify it. So I'm going to have 3 days rolled into one video. All I'm going to do this morning is just stack this lot behind me, so that's going to be the end of the video. So there'll be all sorts of staple pulling, grass cutting and log stacking. That's all I can think of at the moment. So we stayed another night last night in our caravan. We're going to go home today. The smoke has subsided quite significantly. Whoop! Hey, the wind's definitely changed around for us, so that's good. Bit of wind noise, but that won't affect the time lapse. So yeah, I'm gonna get you set up. This is the job I 100% hate doing. I hate stacking wood. I love collecting it. I love splitting it, cutting it. I hate stacking it, and I hate taking it back round to my house. Bloody cold today. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to get on with video and well, with time lapse, get done so I can get back home and get our fire on, because it's coming quite cold today, like I've just said there. So yeah, catches in a bit. I hope everyone's staying safe and be well.